Hello, everyone. Welcome to COMM 450, Conflict Management and Negotiation. I am your instructor, Sister Barbara Higgins, and I'm so excited to be able to get to know you this semester and to be able to go over such important material and principles, especially with the world that we live in right now. You're going to be learning some amazing skills and principles to be able to help you in your personal life, with your family, your church, your community, and to be able to try and help improve how you view other people and how you view conflict. And I really want to try and get to know as many of you as possible. Even though this is an online course, I do live review sessions and I also do test review sessions that are live. They're optional, but it's great to be able to get to know one another and to be able to discuss topics and concepts so that hopefully you'll be able to understand the material a little bit better and get to know one another better. So I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. So I live in Bluffdale, Utah, which is about 25-30 minutes from downtown Salt Lake. And I live about 20 minutes from three temples: Jordan River, Oquirrh Mountain, and Draper. So it's a great place to live, to be surrounded by temples. And soon there will be the Saratoga Springs Temple that will also be about 20 minutes away. So lots of temples in our area. So a little bit about my family. So I am the oldest of four children, even though I am the shortest, and I'm almost 6 feet tall. So that I have my sister and two brothers. One brother is 6'7", and one brother is 6'8". And I'm shorter than my mom. So we are a tall family, but we love to have fun and goof around. And I'm not married, so I love being able to spend time with my nieces and my nephews and the rest of my family. And we have lived all over the country and all over the world. So when we're able to spend time together, we cherish it. A little bit about my hobbies. I love traveling. You can see this picture is at the Dome of the Rock in Jerusalem, one of my favorite places that I've traveled to. And then I love hiking and camping. This is a picture of me at Bryce Canyon. And then ATVing. And I love Disneyland. And I love hygge. So if anyone knows what hygge is, I'll be very impressed. So those are just some of the hobbies that I enjoy. And then some of the callings that I have had, they've asked us to kind of just let you know a little bit about our callings. So I've been blessed to have the opportunity to be an ordinance worker in the Boston Temple as well as the Jordan River temples. And some of the most amazing experiences of my life have been when I've served in the temple. I've also served as a Relief Society president, a Young Women's president, gospel doctrine teacher, and I currently teach our youth Sunday school class. So we have a lot of students in that class because we have ages 11 to 17. So it's a big class, but I love it. A little bit about my professional background. So I graduated from the University of Utah in sociology and human development and family studies. And I also got a certificate in criminology and corrections. And then I graduated from Arkansas State University with a master's degree in public administration. And I did my master's degree online. So I understand what it's like to be an online student. I'm currently the Assistant Human Resources Director for Sandy City. And before working in human resources, I worked over 12 years in social work for the Sandy Police Department. I supervised the Family Crimes and Intervention Unit. My focus was on child advocacy, and I was hired to create that Family Crimes Unit. So it was an amazing opportunity. Before that, I worked in Boston as a social worker. Okay, so important things for you to know is no late work is accepted. So you are allowed to have one mulligan per semester where you can choose any one assignment that you want other than a test and turn it in up to 1 week late. So you can just let me know. I need to know before the due date, but you can turn in an assignment up to a week late. So just make sure you choose wisely. And then just some important things for you to know is this is designed as a capstone level course. It is not an easy course. That's why it's a 400 level course, but it is very rewarding, and what you learn is well worth it. But I just want you to be prepared if you are a freshman or a sophomore, or even a junior, and you are a little concerned. I just want to make sure you're prepared for a 400 level class that is designed as a capstone level. So there is a lot of work required in the course, but we're both here to succeed. So I will do everything I can to help you. And I love the principle that President Nelson has taught us, that the Lord loves effort because effort brings rewards that can't come without it. So there is a lot of work in this course, but the Lord loves effort, and you will be blessed for your efforts. So here is how to contact me. So I will have office hours on Wednesday nights from 8 to 9 p.m. And this is when you can log in and we can talk about concepts that we've been learning that week. Anyone's welcome. If you have questions about the course, that's like your time to be able to contact me. It is during Mountain Time. Then this is my phone number. It's a Google Voice number. That way I know, and it's a student that's calling. And then my email address. Texting is usually the best way to get a hold of me since I work full time, but you're welcome to call as well. All right, so just in conclusion, I want to challenge you to recognize, record, and share the tender mercies that you see in your life as we go through the semester. I think if we all can just try and identify those, it's amazing for us to be able to see the Lord's hand in our lives. And I love this quote from Elder Bednar, where he said, "I testify that the tender mercies of the Lord are available to all of us, and that the Redeemer of Israel is eager to bestow such gifts upon us." And again, I just want to remind you that the Lord loves effort. So as you're starting this semester, he will bless you as you are working hard to do your best. And please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I feel that my job is to give you the tools to succeed, and your job is to use those tools to succeed. So together, we'll be successful. Thanks, and good luck this semester.